Hello everyone, this is me Sudha. Day 1 of preparing for next situation test but practicing only origami. And here I'm making a purse. At this point it is kinda complex to fold it, but after 1 to 2 try it will be fine. Okay, now it's time to make a strap of this purse, and after it will be done.